In my pursuit of continuously improving the outcomes for our students, I was introduced to a set of works that I believe will have a dramatic impact on the lives of our students and staff across the Elk Grove Unified School District. The work was created by the Arbinger Institute, and the main text of the series is titled Leadership and Self-Deception. At the core of the work is the concept of the outward mindset and how it can positively affect everything we do. The following video includes some of my thoughts and experiences regarding this work.
As one of California's largest school districts that serves a highly diverse public, Elk Grove Unified's primary goal is to ensure that every student is learning in every classroom, in every subject, every day, to prepare them to be college and career-ready graduates.
We're here about improving outcomes for kids. That's the bottom line of our work, and we're about improving outcomes academically, socially, mentally, everything that goes along with the whole child. And the only way I know how to do that and improve those outcomes is if we, the adults, get better at the work we do. Because I think the kids are already performing to the level that we're able to take them, and to get to a new level, we need to become better at what we do.
To improve, the district's leadership team, partners in education, and school board came together to create and develop a new form of professional development by introducing the concept of outward mindset.
And the idea of the outward mindset is really simple. It's being open to the humanity of each and every person that you come in contact with. And as you understand their humanity and who they are, what their hopes and dreams and challenges are, the trick is, can you align your work in a way that helps them achieve what they need to achieve while you also achieve your goals at the same time? People ask me, what's the most challenging part of being superintendent of Elk Grove Unified, 5th largest district in the state, 63,000 kids, 7,000 adults, and all that goes along with that. And I say all the time, if my biggest responsibility and my only issue is dealing with the decisions that I make on a daily basis, my job's actually doable. But I'm responsible for the decisions of 7,000 adults and 63,000 kids on a daily basis. And so the hopes and dreams of all of those people, along with the hopes and dreams of my family, is what keeps me up at night. My vision for the outward mindset is that we would have an entire learning organization, including our community, in which everybody was alive to what we call the outside triangles, which is the hopes, dreams, and challenges of every other person that we work with and we work for. And the dream is, if you have an entire organization that works in that manner, you talk about keeping me up at night. I stay up at night excited about the prospect of what that would look like on a scale that big. Maybe spending some time with Denise, she might help me understand or learn something about Charles that I didn't know before, that I might be able to connect with the next time we get together. Even more exciting, I think, is the idea of sharing this information with our students and with our families down the road. The idea of me learning about this relatively late in my career, I could have made significantly larger impacts in many situations if I would have had this information all put together in the way it's put together through the Arbinger Institute. So I think back on that, it's like, so how could we ever let kids leave Elk Grove Unified without having at least been exposed to this information? So that concept is really mind-numbing sometimes. I think of bringing it through 63,000 kids, or at least through our seniors before they head off to the real world. And the idea of the outward mindset, very powerful concept. I've seen it work incredible magic in individual relationships, and I've seen it work within teams. And now the dream is, can you take such a concept through an organization the size of Elk Grove Unified? And that's what we're going to find out.